Page 84, Jocularity. I can't say the word too well, but that's what it is. Sort of a fun piece, like a scherzo type thing. It's the last piece in the book. If you've made it this far, congratulations, really. I will get level 3 book up someday. I don't know when, if it isn't up yet. If you're doing this years later after I've recorded this, then level 3 may be up by now. But now, this piece, it's in the key of A minor. No sharps or flats. 2/4 time. A lot of 16th notes. 1 E-enda, 2 E-enda, 1 E-enda, 2 E-enda. Isn't this fun? So at the beginning, I'm going to take both hands together. No pedal, a lot of staccato going on here. So it's 1 E-enda, 2. And hold that quarter note down now. This is really the melody. The right hand is just kind of playing around. And I'm using a wrist staccato. If you want to use the forearm staccato, it's up to you. But this isn't really loud. So I think wrist staccato, or some people call it hand staccato. Watch the fingering in the third measure right hand. That's a 2-1. Sort of at the same time, and just lift up on it. So it's here. Third measure. Now, again, the left hand's got the melody, and there's an accent in that last measure. Going on the next line, an accent. Watch this articulation, it's cool. Second line, second measure, you're here, and then staccato. But the right hand is here. And I recommend a 2-5 on that half note here. So, then you go on for some more of this stuff. Third line down. Start with the third line. Now, the last two measures, third line, you have a sforzando in the left hand. That is a get them. Let them know it's there. And then the right hand, 1, 3, 5. We get away with this fingering in the right hand because there's staccatos. Otherwise, it's doable, but I'd use a different fingering, but this fingering is okay. Fourth line down, you see the poco animato there? That means a little animated, which means faster, because it was moderato at the beginning. Now you're getting more like an allegretto thing. It's an animated thing. Here, now the right hand gets the melody. Staccatos. And the left hand gets it. The right hand staccato, the left hand isn't. Go up an octave. And the right hand gets it. Watch the third measure. It's a little awkward, but it's doable. And then it's sforzando on the half note. And then going on, the left hand now has the fun part, and the right hand is just this high type thing. And third line, same thing, an octave lower, blah, 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 you got all that. Fourth line, medium soft, half note with a fermata. There's no retard or anything, you just suddenly you're taking a breather. And then you go on at the normal speed you were at, but softly. Watch the accidentals. Last line, now you're going to start crescendo. At the end, now you're back up to loud. And notice the treble clef in the left hand there. And those notes, they're slurred with accents. And then it's sforzando on the end. Like so. It's a fun piece. Now it starts out moderato, it's not too fast. I don't do a roll thing, that technique we did before. I like to control these. Maybe you want to do the roll when on the faster part, I'll leave that up to you. But I prefer to hear these 16th notes. I'm still transferring the weight, but the fingers are controlling what's going on. They don't give you a dynamic at the beginning. They don't know how loud to be or how loud not to be or whatever. My opinion is you're going to be sort of loud. In between sort of soft and sort of loud. Just kind of in the middle. No big deal. Fourth line down, now you're going to pick up the speed, and now they're telling you to be loud. Soft. Now you're soft. Now that's the piece. So you don't have to go that fast. You take it at your speed, your moderato, your animation, your everything. Keep it really slow until you get the notes and the rhythms and all that down really well. And then once you get all that, then you can start having some fun with the piece and turn it into music. This is a piece people would enjoy hearing once you know it, yeah. But this will take some time to learn this piece. It really will.